Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you how to create a free 1.19 Minecraft server. To create a 1.19 server, you'll firstly need to head to Server.pro. If you don't have an account, make sure to sign up here. You can do that by entering your email and creating a new password and then pressing the sign up button. When you're done entering your details, it'll ask you to activate your account. Make sure you do that by going to the email inbox you used to sign up, and there you should see an email from us asking to confirm your account. All you have to do is click the green button and your account is ready. However, if you don't see the green button, simply copy the link at the bottom and paste it into your browser. You'll know the account's been successfully activated when you're redirected to the Create Server page. On the Create Server page, you'll see the available plans for a server. On the Classic tab, there are 3 server plans: Free, Premium, and Pro. Not just that, but on the next tab, there are also the VPS plans. Pro and VPS plans having the most features available, such as allowing your server to be hosted in more countries. If you're not sure what plan to go with, you can contact our support team and we'll be happy to help, or you can head to the Pricing tab at the top left. There you'll see all the general features available for each plan, as well as the specific features for different games. As you can see here, since Minecraft Java is selected, it shows us how many plugins and players are allowed on each type of Java server. For this video, we'll be simply selecting the free plan. Scroll down and you can select the location where you want the server to be hosted in. For the free plan, you're only able to select 2 countries. However, if you upgrade to the pro plans, you'll have more options. If your location isn't there, simply select the one closest to you or your player base, as that'll work the same. You don't have to live in the same country you're selecting. If you scroll down again, on the configuration tab, you can select the game you want on the server. Since we're creating a 1.19 Java server, I'll leave Minecraft Java selected. Below that, you can select the server type. The types range from vanilla to spigot to craft bucket. You'll need to upgrade to a premium or pro plan to be able to select the forge or mod pack options though. For now, I'll just be leaving the type as vanilla, but next to that there is the version drop down list. Here's where you're going to select the version you want the server to be. Of course, here we'll be selecting 1.19. When that's done, under the hostname section, you can type in what you want your server to be named. This hostname is what you'll need to connect to your server later. You can also change the suffix of the hostname if you'd like with the drop-down list. Here you'll have to complete the captcha to be able to finalize, but once you've done that, you can simply click the Create Server button. If you're put in a queue, simply wait until you can press the Start Server button. When that's done, you'll be redirected to the server's dashboard. To join your server, you'll need to find your server hostname or IP. Then on your server's dashboard, you'll see it under hostname and IP. Before proceeding, make sure you click copy on either of those. I'll be clicking copy on the hostname. Once you've done that, all that's left to do now is open up your Java application to join the server. When the game is launched, press multiplayer and then click add server. You can set your server name to whatever you want, but then you can just paste the hostname under the server address section. Make sure to press done when you're finished, and then you can double click to enter your server. The first time you enter your server, it may take a little bit for the world to load, so please be patient. After it's loaded in though, you can explore your new 1.19 server. If you're interested in changing things like the server difficulty, you can configure that by accessing your server's control panel. Then click on the Files tab on the left and scroll down until you see the Server.properties file. When that file is opened, you can change things like the server difficulty, max players, and max tick time. Before continuing, make sure to save file to confirm all the changes and quickly restart your server to ensure they take effect. If you're also interested in enabling commands like do daylight cycle, you'll firstly need to OP yourself. You can do that by heading to the Players tab and then clicking on Operators. On the text box on the right, you'll be able to type in the player's username to make them an operator. When that's done, you can head into your server to enable certain commands. On the text box, you can just type in whatever command you want and press enter. We'll also be leaving a link in the description to a wiki page where you can find all the commands available. Keep in mind that you'll have to renew the free server every hour for it to remain open, otherwise it'll close. Alternatively though, you can upgrade to any of the paid plans for your server to to remain open 24/7. If you have any further questions like how to upload a world onto a server, how to install plugins, or how to OP yourself or someone else, we've actually made tutorials on how to do that. Not just that, but we've made a lot of other tutorials on questions you may have, so we'll leave the playlist link to all of those in the description. However, you can also contact our support team with any inquiries and they'll reply to your email as soon as possible. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to see more from our channel. Thank you for watching.